We are currently on the way to Damak Hills 2, and today we are answering a very important question. Is this community really worth investing in? My name is Usman Khalid, a real estate consultant, community specialist in the Dubai market with more than 4 years experience in both offline and secondary market. In this video, I will take you on a full tour of Damak Hills 2 and show you everything you need to know before buying here, from location and amenities to prices and investment potential. So stay with me until the end. No, I am in Damak Hills 2. Damak Hills 2 was launched in 2014, and that time the community was called Okoya Oxygen. Later in 2019, Damak rebranded the project and gave it the name Damak Hills 2. This is a very large master community with a total area of around 55 million square feet. Inside the community, there are more than 35 clusters, each cluster offering different type of townhouses and villas. One of the biggest advantage of Damak Hills 2 is the wide variety of properties available here. You can find townhouses, villas starting from smaller and more affordable options, all the way up to large standalone villas with up to 6 bedrooms that make the community suitable both investors and the families who want to live here. Now let's talk about why many buyer investors are choosing Damak Hills 2. The main reason is the location, which we will explain in more detail in the next segment. The second reason is the master plan, that is a self-contained community. What is self-contained? It means city inside the city. Most of the things you can find daily inside the community, like supermarket. You can find the community center, retail shop, cafes, restaurant without needing to travel so far. Another major reason is the price advantage. In many areas of Dubai, the price of an apartment can be higher than the townhouse here. In Damak Hills 2, you can actually own a townhouse or villas for a price that can be cheaper than the apartment in the city. Because of these prices, the community also offers attractive rental return, usually around 7 to 8% ROI, which make a very interesting option for investors. Later in the videos, we will look at the price breakdown, investment potential in more detail. Damak Hills 2 is located in the heart of Dubai land, offering a modern, family-oriented lifestyle, good connectivity to many important areas in Dubai. The community is ideal for people who want more space, peaceful environment, and long-term value. The project is located in Madinat in 4 and has easy access to several major roads in Dubai. It connects directly to Dubai Al Ain Road, Jabal Ali Labab Road, which are two major highways that help residents travel different parts of the city. The community also has the access of Sakim Road and Al Qudra, which further improve connectivity. At the moment, there are 3 main entrances to the community, and more entrances are expected to be added in the future as the area continue to develop. Damak Hills 2 is very close to the major landmark in Dubai. It takes 20 minutes to Damak Hills, 40 to 45 minutes to Dubai Mall Burj Khalifa, 25 minutes to Al Maktoum International Airport, 35 minutes to Mall of the Emirates, and 40 to 45 minutes to Burj Al Arab. One of the strongest features of Damak Hills 2 is the largest number of amenities available for residents. These amenities are mainly divided into 3 main areas: Watertown, Sports Town, and Downtown. In Watertown, residents can enjoy attractions such as Malibu Beach, Lazy River, wave surfing areas, outdoor cinema, boating lake with cafe, a lake cafe, and the jogging track. In Sports Town, the focus on the fitness and outdoor activities. Here you can find an outdoor gym, cricket net, cricket ground, paddle court, football field, basketball court. Then finally, downtown, we have community lifestyle facilities such as barbecue area, children play area, games like snake and ladder, a community center, cafe, retail shop, and restaurant. These amenities are designed to make community active and family friendly. Damak Hills 2 is also surrounded by several well-known residential communities. Nearby areas include The Valley, Times Square by Nishama, Mira Oasis, and Damak Hills 1. As these communities continue to develop and grow the entire area to becoming a larger residential zone, which can also help support property value in the future. Damak Hills 2 offer a wide variety of property type, which is one of the reasons why many investors and end users are interested in this area. Now I will give you the basic idea of the layout, but in the second episode, I will explain you everything. So first of all, I will go for the small layout that is called RRM, RREM, and RREE. That basic layout in these clusters like Mimosa, Wardun, Albizia, and Basswood. Built up area for all the layout will be same. If we talk about the RRM, RREM and RREE, the built-up area will be 1659 to 1704. If we talk about 3-bedroom plus mid, it comes with a different layout. Some are middle unit, some are middle corner unit, and some are corner unit. If we talk about the middle unit, the most prominent layout are R2M, R2MB, and R2M14. If we talk about the middle corner unit, is R2EM layout, and if we talk about the end corner unit, is R2EE layout. Mostly the standard size for RREM will be 1816. And if we go for the RREE, the end corner layout, it will be the plot size start from 1659 to 3000 square feet, because it's an end corner plot and it comes with a small plot and can be the big plot size. Now I will talk about the 3-bedroom plus mid, and most people like to buy that layout will be R2MB. That plot size will be 1881 and the built up area will be more than 2400. Why 2400? Because it comes with a big balcony, big living dining room and the big garden size. Then we have 4-bedroom townhouse, we have 5-bedroom townhouse, and we have 6-bedroom standalone villas V2 and V3 layout. If we talk about the 4-bedroom, it comes with 4-bedroom plus bedroom. The plot size will be same at 1881 and the built up area will be between 2300 to 2400 square feet. If we talk about 5-bedroom, it comes with the R3M and XXP. Plot size will be same 1881, but the built up area will be 2541 to 3142 square feet. Then we have standalone villa 6-bedroom V2 and V3 layout. The plot size same 3100 to 4500-4700 square feet and the built up area will be 4000 square feet. If we talk about the V3 layout, the plot size will be same like 3500, 4000, 4500 depend on the plot size and the location, and the built up area will be 4155 square feet. And if we talk about 2-bedroom townhouse, it's come with the big layout. The plot size is 1435 square feet, and if you go for the built up area, it's almost 2000 square feet, because it's come with the very big layout and the price is also high as compared to the 3-bedroom. If you need to know the selling price of this layout that I explained you before, feel free to contact me anytime. As a community specialist working in Damak Hills 2 for past 4 years, I can say this community offers excellent value of today Dubai property market. It combines affordable prices, a wide variety of villas, townhouses, strong amenities and good road connectivity. With rental return around 7 to 8% and self-contained master community, Damak Hills 2 is a great option for both investors looking for solid return and end user looking for space and a family-friendly environment. This was the first episode of our Damak Hills 2 series, where we showed you everything you need to know before investing in this community. In the upcoming videos, we will showing you detailed tour, different layout, cluster insight. Also let me know in the comment what you want to see in the next video. If you are interested in buying or investing here, feel free to contact me directly. I have been working as a Damak Hills community specialist for the past 4 years. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. I will see you in the next one.